Looking for a griddle that can handle cooking for a crowd without breaking a sweat? The Camp Chef Pro 90X Griddle delivers a massive cooking surface paired with rugged, heavy-duty steel construction that's built to last. Whether you're feeding family, friends, or hosting a backyard party, this griddle offers the space and performance you need to cook large batches efficiently and evenly. What sets this griddle apart is its true seasoned finish steel surface, designed to give you that classic griddle experience right out of the box. Thanks to built-in heat diffuser plates, the griddle distributes heat evenly across the entire surface, eliminating those frustrating hot spots that can ruin your food. It heats up fast, reaching temperatures of 400 or more without cranking the burners high, so you get great results while conserving fuel. Plus, it fits perfectly over 3 burners on the Camp Chef 16-inch cooking system, making it a versatile addition if you already own compatible gear. One user shared how they own 2 of these griddles, one for their motorhome and another as a permanent fixture on their patio. They praised its size, saying it can handle cooking for a whole party with ease. The modular design of the Camp Chef stove system means you can mix and match components to suit your cooking needs, and the Pro 90X Griddle shines when you need to prepare large amounts of food quickly. While cleaning requires some effort with a scraper, chainmail scrubber, and wipes, a thin coat of oil after use keeps the surface rust-free and ready for your next cookout. If you're serious about outdoor cooking and want a griddle that can keep up with big gatherings, the Camp Chef Pro 90X offers real value. It's sturdy, heats evenly, and gives you plenty of room to cook multiple items at once, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Worth a look if you're upgrading your outdoor kitchen setup or need a reliable griddle for your camping or patio adventures. Try it when you're ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level.